Hello friends, welcome to House of Tech English. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to enable location services in your Mac. I'm going to guide you through each and every step. But before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, the very first thing you have to do is just simply open system settings in your Mac device. You can find that in dock, or else go and select Apple logo at the top and then select system settings. Now, once you open system settings, on the left hand side, go down and select privacy and security. And once you select that, on the right hand side, you get multiple options like this. Over here, make sure to select location services. And on the next page, again, make sure that this particular toggle is on. In your case, this might be off, but make sure to turn it on. Once you turn it on, after that, you will get a list of application which might ask you for location permission. Now you can see Brave browser, I have already provided the location permission over here. For some of the application, I have given the permission. For some of the application, I have kept it off. In your case, if you want to give location permission to any particular application, then all you have to do is just simply turn on this toggle like this. And to make the changes, it might ask you to enter the passcode of your Mac. So you can use the passcode which you basically use to unlock it. You can use the same passcode and then you can do the changes. Like for now, I have enabled the location services for calendar application. Similarly, you can see which applications really need location permission, and based on that, you can change the settings. If you don't want to give any permission, then you can simply turn it off like this. So this is how simple it is to enable location services on your Mac. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.